Nice. Welcome back. In this chapter 2, we will view how virtualization work. Hosted hardware or operating system and use it to run guest operating systems, creating a kind of computer within another computer. We have two virtualization types. Type 1, when a normally lightweight and a simplified system with no graphical interface is used only to manage as a monitor or hardware, providing an efficient, robust, and redundant infrastructure ready to receive virtual servers or VDI, widely used in servers and data centers. For example, Citrix Xen Server, Hyper-V, VMware ASXi, KVM, when you can view in the image on this side. Type 2. When virtual machines need virtualization software run on top of an operating system, commonly used for testing and isolating programs and networks. For example, VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, and others. You can view in this image we did addict one new layer, the layer host OS. This layer can be Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay, nice. This is a quick introduction in how virtualization works and types of virtualization. See you in next class.